Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Apple Watch Ultra and removing the bands to expose the case. Next, heat the front edge gently to soften the adhesive, then use a suction handle and thin plastic picks to lift the display just enough to access the screws. Keep screws separated by location as you go. Once done, disconnect the battery bracket carefully to avoid shorting. These steps get you to the point where the display module can be safely removed for replacement. With the module lifted, you will disconnect the display and sensor flex cables using ESD-safe tweezers and a spudger. Do this slowly to avoid tearing contacts. Then swap in the genuine or high-quality OEM sapphire display assembly. This is the actual fix for scratches that cannot be polished out. Make sure the ambient dust is minimized, align the gasket and adhesive strips precisely, and reconnect the battery temporarily to run a functional test of touch, haptics, and sensors before final sealing. Finish by applying new adhesive strips or speaker-safe adhesive, align the display, then clamp the case evenly until the adhesive sets. This restores water resistance. After reassembly, power on and verify touch, compass, depth sensor, and water seal. If any function fails, power down and reopen to inspect connector seating and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure no dust or bent pins remain. If problems persist or you're unsure, stop and take the watch to an authorized repair to protect warranty.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.